James here, and on behalf of Jeremy Kennedy and myself, welcome to New Free Traffic. The name says it all. This is a brand new, crazy way to get traffic for absolutely free. We're coming to you with something that has not been exposed before ever in a product. This is in beta. It's so new. It does not get any newer than this. The results that we're seeing from not only ourselves, but other people out there are absolutely crazy. There's nothing that you can have out there currently where you can plug in without ever having a list, without being a known person online, and immediately have the potential for hundreds, thousands, potentially hundreds of thousands of people live just like that in a brand new way. This is absolutely crazy. Again, this is new. This is free traffic with results. When you have all four of those things together, you have an absolute winner. I hope you can understand the passion that I have for this right now, because there's nothing better than getting on top of a completely new and different marketing trend. That's what you have today, and you need to jump on it. Check it out.